Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today topic is Roustabout Responsibilities. So I am going to discuss about the responsibilities of Roustabout. So Roustabout is entry level job in rig. If you want to enter in rig field, you have to enter as a Roustabout. So this is the entry level job in rig. A Roustabout is usually the starting position for anyone new to the rig field. So if you are new, if you want to join in a rig field, so you have to join as a Roustabout. It's a general labor and helper role. So this is very important. It is a general labor and helper role where you support the rig crew and keep the work site safe, clean, and efficient. So these three, safe, clean, and efficient, is the main focus for Roustabout. Keep in your mind that Roustabout is labor and helper. Keep the rig safe, clean, and efficient. So now I will discuss general duties of Roustabout. Pipe and material handling means equipment handling, housekeeping and safety, maintenance support drilling operations, emergency and special duties, skills and qualities needed. These all these all will cover in this video. Okay. Coming to the general duties. Coming to the general duties, Roustabout assists the rig crew like Roughneck, Derrickman, driller or assistant driller with daily tasks. Carry and move equipment, pipes, and tools. As I discussed, keep rig area clean and organized like decks, walkways, and workstations. Perform basic maintenance like painting, greasing, chipping, washing, cleaning deck area. So this is the general duties of Roustabout. So these are the general duties of Roustabout. So you will help roughnecks, derrickman, assistant driller. Okay. So carry and move the equipments, pipes, and tools. Keep rig area clean, organized, and basic maintenance, painting, greasing, and washing. Coming to the second responsibility, pipe and material handling. Material means equipment. Second one is pipe and material handling. Help move a drill pipes, casing, and tubing using rig cranes or manually. If you want to move drill pipes, casing, and tubing, you have to use rig cranes or manually like forklift we can use. Prepare and deliver tools to the rig floor when needed. As per the instructions given by AD, you have to deliver tools to the rig floor. Load or unload supply boats or trucks. In offshore, we use supply boats. In land rig, we use trucks. So depends upon the rig. You can choose which one is available. Ensure materials are properly stored and secure. So this is the responsibility of Roustabout in pipe and material handling. Move drill pipes, casing, tubing with crane or forklift. Okay. Prepare and deliver tools to the rig floor when needed. This one instruction given by AD. Load and unload supply boats or trucks. Ensure materials are properly stored and secured. This is the tip for equipment handling. Requires physical strength and awareness of safety because pipes and tools are heavy. So this is the safety tip for you. In this job, for this responsibility, pipes and tools handling equipment, you need physical strength and awareness of safety. So this is the basic safety you need to follow from your side. Coming to the third responsibility, housekeeping and safety. Housekeeping is very important in rig, and safety is the first priority. Keep rig floor, deck, and walkway free of oil, mud, and debris. Wash down equipment with high pressure hoses. Check safety equipment, fire extinguishers, life jackets, lifeboats, and handrails. Assist during safety drills like fire, man overboard, and abandoned drills. Here in this topic, we cover housekeeping and safety. Coming to housekeeping, rig floor, deck, and walkways free of oil, mud, and debris. This one will come under housekeeping. Wash down equipment with high pressure hoses. So we have to clean equipment with high pressure gun. So this will come under housekeeping. Check safety equipment, fire extinguishers, life jackets, and lifeboat handrails. This will come under safety and assist during safety drills. We have many drills. So basic drills for Roustabout is fire drill, man overboard drill, and abandon drill. So this will come under safety. Tip for this third responsibility is safety is always priority number one for roastabouts. For everyone, safety is the first priority. Coming to roastabouts, it will be more important because roastabouts are freshers. So need to take care about safety first. That's why safety is always priority number one for roastabouts. So coming to fourth responsibility, maintenance support. Maintenance. Here, if you read maintenance, maintenance means you have to maintain everything in a proper standard way. Paint and prevent rust on metal structures. Very common task for roastabout. Grease machineries, clean tanks, replace filters. These all will come under roastabout responsibilities. Assist mechanic, electrician, and welders. Help check and maintain pumps, mud tanks, and pipes. This will instruct by AD. So, fourth one is maintenance support. Roastabout need to paint. Roastabout need to remove rust from metals. This is the basic job for roastabout. Greasing machineries, cleaning tanks, and replace filters. This is the main responsibility for roastabout cleaning tanks. If mechanic need help from roastabout, he will take roastabout. If electrician need roastabout help, he will use roastabout. And also welder also need help from roastabout. Check and maintain pumps. So this one will handle Derrickman, but need help from roastabout. Mud tank cleaning. This is the main job, main responsibility of roastabout. So Derrickman will instruct you. So you have to, like roastabout, have to clean tanks and also pipes. Need to arrange pipes, clean pipes. This one will instruct by AD. So these are the responsibilities to keep a rig good, maintain a rig in a good condition. So here safety tip is, this is where you learn the basic of rig equipment. While working in this situation, you can learn many things. So that one mentioned here, this is where you learn the basic of rig equipments. Coming to fifth responsibility, support drilling operations. Support drilling operations, hand tools, equipment to roughneck on the rig floor. Tools, whatever from downside, from ground surface, equipment, whatever on surface, ground level, you have to send this equipment to the rig floor by using crane or winch. Help with running casing, lowering steel pipes into the well. When casing job is running, roastabouts need to pay attention. Assist Derrickman in mud system, checking mud tanks, lines, and shakers. This is also a responsibility of roastabout. Assist Derrickman. Derrickman will instruct you to check the lines, tanks, shakers. So you have to pay attention and check this all lines, shakers, and tanks. Learn how drill string handling works step by step. By as a fresher, you have to handle drill strings, So as per safety, you have to maintain and learn step by step how to handle the equipment. So coming to the fifth responsibility, tools and equipments has to send on rig floor, running casing. This is the important and main responsibility of Roustabout. Handling casing. While casing job is going, you need to clean casing, drift casing, remove protectors, and send all casing to the rig floor by crane or power catwalk. Assist Derrickman in mud system, checking mud tanks, lines, shakers, everything. Here, safety tip for you. Over time, roastabouts gain knowledge and can move up to Roughneck. If you are doing very good and safe job here while handling with pipes casing, you will get good impression and they will give you, promote you to floorman. This is the best time to learn from Roustabout to Roughneck. Coming to the sixth responsibility, emergency and special duties. Emergency and special duties. This is also the main responsibility of Roustabout. Stand fire watch during welding or hot works. If welder is doing his job, welding some area, welder need one fire watcher, so that is Roustabout. Assist in oil spill cleanup or leaks. If you find any oil spills or leaks, you have to clean this all area. You have to help mechanic to fix this problem. So that is the Roustabout responsibility. Participate in rescue and emergency drills. Every week, in a week, we have emergency drills, some rescue operations. You have to participate. Roustabout is the key role for this drills. Be ready to act fast in case of blowout alarms, gas alarms, or fire alarms. This is also the main responsibility. If you listen alarm, Roustabout has to prepare for rescue to fight with fire as per the instructions. Be ready for any alarm like blowout, gas, or fire alarms. Roustabout must be very active in this situation. So these are the emergency and special duties. Stand for fire watch for welder or any other jobs. Assist in oil spill cleanups or leaks. Participate in rescue and emergency drills, and also act fast in case of blowout alarms, gas alarms, or fire alarms. The seventh skill is skills and qualities needed. Physical fitness. This is very important. Lifting, climbing, working on long shifts. So you have to do this all three. So you have to lift equipment, climbing, and working long shifts. These are the basic things in rig field. So physical fitness is very important. Teamwork, work closely with crew, help each other. That is teamwork. This is also very important for all positions. For Roustabout, also very important. Safety mindset, follow procedures, report hazards. So this is also the main responsibility. You have to be think about safety first. In any job, first priority is safety. Willingness to learn. This is your training ground. So Roustabout is a fresher. So you can learn from Roustabout only. So this is an opportunity to learn all the adaptability, weather, noise, and rough conditions. Weather, sometimes heat, sometimes cold. Noise, have too much noise on rig side. Rough conditions like raining, wind, these all. You have to adaptability. You have that adaptability to this situations, weather, noise, and rough conditions. So these are the main skills and qualities needed for Roustabout. If you don't have any one in this one, better don't try for Roustabout. Okay. And the eighth one is career path. So this is the basic structure I am going to show you. Career path after Roustabout. So if you perform well, your path usually goes like this. This is the common positions career path we have in rig field. The first one is Roustabout. So after Roustabout, you will become Roughneck or Floorman, all are same. The next Derrickman, after Derrickman, assistant driller, after assistant driller, from driller to tool pusher to rig manager or OIM. OIM in offshore, rig manager in land rigs. This is the career path. If you perform well, company will recognize you. So you have to follow this career path. Okay. So first entry level is Roustabout. Already you are in Roustabout position. So next step is Roughneck. Then Derrickman, assistant driller, tool pusher, and rig manager. After this also we have some positions. So that one we will discuss in other videos. In summary, for freshers, a Roustabout is entry level job on rig. Your role is mostly manual labor, housekeeping, safety checks, and assisting the drilling crew. It's hard work, but it's the best way to learn the basics, prove yourself, and grow into higher positions in the oil field. That's it. Thanks for this video. If you have any doubts, you can you can comment me below this video. Next video I am going to show you main responsibilities of roustabouts. So I want to explain clearly each and every roustabout job, about the roustabout position, explain in simple and very understanding manner. So this is the my next video about roustabout. Thank you. Hope you like my video. Hope you understand my voice, everything clearly. If you have any doubts, if you want to change something like voice or anything, definitely you can message me. You can comment me. I will change and explain you very clearly. Thank you. Thank you very much. Take care. All the best.